everyone, I am Trapti Parekh, working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. The Karnataka High Court refused to entertain plea for free car parking space in malls and multiplexes. The Karnataka High Court refused to entertain a petition filed by a social activist seeking direction to the authorities to ensure that the commercial complexes like malls do not collect parking fees or charges from their customers or visitors. A, a, a division bench of Chief Justice Abhay Oka and Justice Suraj Govindraj allowed the council appealing for the petitioner Dinesh Khalali to withdraw the petition. The plea claimed that the collection of the parking fee by the commercial complexes is opposed to the law and contrary to building bylaws framed under the Karnataka Municipal Corporation Act. In the previous hearing, the court observed that counsel appearing for the petitioner is unable to show that there is any provision in the Bangalore Mahanagara Palika Building Bylaws 2003 which mandates that the commercial complexes should not provide adequate parking space as per the bylaws rule 16, but those parking spaces should be made available free of cost as a matter of right to the customer who visit the commercial complexes. It has accordingly suggested that it was not inclined to grant any relief. It has been granted till today to the council for seeking instruction. During the hearing, the court observed that the court said that to show the point that say members of the public should be provided free parking in malls. Advocate Raghu Prasad BS, who is appearing for the petitioner side, has contended that under the bylaws it was required for the commercial establishment to provide parking space. If a customer visits the mall and makes a purchase on showing of the bill, parking fees must be waived off. The court observed that the person is not forced to go to the mall and it is not a public property, it is a private property. The provision of BBMP Act provide only for the providing parking spaces at a commercial establishment, which is not conferred to a right on third parties to go and park their vehicles. Citing the example of cinema hall where the person visits to see a movie, the court said that the car is safe when it is parked at the cinema hall. When somebody incurs a cost for maintaining the park space in a cinema hall, how it can be free? The court added that the basic concept of writ of mandamus is that you should show there is a legal obligation. The providing free parking cannot be a legal obligation. It can only amount to a commercial transaction. Justice Govindraj said the parking facility at civil suit court is only for the advocate and not free, and litigants are made to park their vehicles outside. In 2019, the Gujarat High Court had ruled that the malls and complexes should not collect parking fees as they are under a statutory obligation to provide free parking space. So I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.